This ground was nothing but hard clay and rocks 30 days ago. It seemed like a place where nothing could grow. But today it provided a full harvest of crisp, nutritious food. This was not the result of expensive fertilizers or complex equipment. It happened because of one specific crop that is designed by nature to thrive in the toughest conditions. If you are looking for a way to secure your food supply in just 1 month, this is the answer you have been searching for. You are looking at the common radish. Most people see this vegetable as nothing more than a colorful garnish on a salad. But for the homesteader or anyone interested in survival, it is a powerhouse of self-sufficiency. While most garden staples like corn or potatoes take 3 to 4 months to reach your table, certain radish varieties are ready in just over 3 weeks. Varieties like the cherry belle or the French breakfast are famous for this speed. They offer a reliable source of food when your other crops are still just tiny sprouts in the mud. In a world where food security can change overnight, having a crop that produces results in 30 days is a vital safety net. Growing this crop is a simple process that anyone can master. You do not need a tractor or specialized tools. First, you must select a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight. Radishes are not picky, but they do prefer a bit of light to grow their best. You begin by clearing away any heavy weeds or grass from your planting area. Use a basic garden rake to loosen the top inch of soil. You do not need to dig deep holes. Simply scatter your seeds or place them about ½ an inch into the ground. If you are planting in rows, try to keep the seeds about 1 inch apart. Within just 3 to 7 days, you will see green life pushing through the surface of the earth. This is one of the fastest germination rates in the entire plant kingdom. Once the seedlings are about 1 inch tall, it is time for a step called thinning. You want to remove the smallest plants so that there are about 2 inches of space between the ones remaining. This gives the roots the room they need to swell and become the vegetables you recognize. The most important part of the process is water. You must keep the soil consistently moist. If the ground dries out and then gets soaked, the roots might crack or become too spicy to eat. Steady, even watering ensures a mild and crunchy harvest. There is a fascinating reason why this plant grows so much faster than almost anything else in your garden. The radish has an aggressive, powerful taproot. Farmers often call it a bio-drill because it is strong enough to push through compacted soil and hard clay that would stop other roots in their tracks. As the root grows, it creates channels in the earth. These channels help air and water reach deeper into the ground, which actually makes the soil better for whatever you plant next. The plant is also incredibly efficient at using the energy it gets from the sun. Almost as soon as the first leaves appear, the radish begins sending all its nutrients down into the root. It is a cool season crop, which means it does its best work when the air is between 50 and 70 degrees. It is a specialist at using the short, mild windows of time in the spring and fall. While other plants are waiting for the heat of summer, the radish is already finishing its life cycle. It also acts as a scavenger, reaching deep into the earth to pull up nitrogen and minerals that other plants cannot reach. This plant has been helping humans survive for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations in Egypt, Greece and Rome grew radishes for both food and medicine. They knew that these roots were easy to grow and hard to kill. In a survival setting, radishes provide much more than just a snack. They are a rich source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients are essential for keeping your immune system strong and your blood pressure healthy. Historically, farmers have also used radishes as a trap crop to save their primary harvests. Certain pests are naturally drawn to the radish. By planting them around the edges of a garden, the pests attack the radishes instead of the more valuable grains or beans. This was a clever way to manage a farm without modern chemicals. During lean times, families would dry these roots or pickle them in vinegar to make them last through the winter months. They can be sliced into soups or even roasted like potatoes to provide a warm, filling meal when resources are low. Even a perfect crop has one honest limitation that you must understand. The radish cannot handle the heat of midsummer. If the temperature rises above 80 degrees for too long, the plant will go into a panic mode called bolting. It will stop growing a delicious root and quickly send up a tall flower stalk to produce seeds. Once a radish bolts, the root becomes hollow, woody, and very bitter. It is no longer good for eating. To avoid this, you must be careful to plant your seeds early in the spring or late in the summer as the air begins to cool again. Before you head out to start your own 30-day garden, there is one last secret you should know. Most people pull the radish out of the ground, cut off the green leaves, and throw them away. This is a huge mistake. The leaves are actually the most nutritious part of the entire plant. Radish greens contain more protein, more calcium, and significantly more vitamin C than the roots themselves. You can sauté them in a pan with a little oil, or add them to a stew just like you would with spinach or kale. In a true survival situation, every bit of nutrition matters, and the radish provides it from the tip of the leaf to the bottom of the root. This humble plant is proof that you do not need a lot of time or perfect soil to provide for yourself and your family. Nature has already given us everything we need to be resilient.